understanding the both word, we are just figure out that microscope means watching something which is a small, like bacteria, virus, and
which we can't see by naked eye.
yeah, protozoa, amoeba, like small particles which can't be seen by a naked eye, we see by the microscope. Next page, please. These are the relative size of the molecular cells of plants and organisms. First, we are just watching a human. We can see by naked eye. But we are going far away from the small size. We can't able to see the things by decreasing the size. These are the different things which are getting light microscope. They are having two microscope, light microscope and electron microscope. Electron microscope are light microscope which shows the chloroplast, like the light things like amoeba, which can show itself lightly, which shows some luminance kind of things. Through the light microscope we can see that particles, but the electron microscope see the small particles like virus, atoms and nuclei.
Proteins.
Yeah, like this. आगे कर दे यार. Microscopy. The first man who just see an elephant can see naked eye, but he used a microscope for that.
Yes, it's a microscope.
The first microscope device is this. First microscope device made by this, like this.
In 1590.
This is the structure of first microscope.
In
1590, and now we have advanced microscope in 2009. We have to do so much hard work on that microscope.
Yeah.
The light, increasing energy from a microscope. They having and when we watching some organism, we having some kind of energy through which we can able to see some microscope, some organism on that. They have gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, infrared, and radio waves. Light, electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength that is visible to the human eye. Light is a energy which can be seen by naked eye, which is coming from sun rays. Ejection of particles in the form of photons is called as light. Light can excite property of both waves and particles. I have already said like photons. It's called as light. This is a property of refractive wave particle duality. Dual nature of light. Monochromatic light rays pausing on a single wavelength. Complex light, mixture of light with a more different wavelength. Monochromatic light having a single phase traveling in a single phase.
Wavelength.
And complex light having a different mixture of one or more phases.
Yeah.
Now we can. The light having a wavelength and the amplitude. The light having a wavelength and amplitude. The wavelength is directionally, and amplitude is the increasing of its amplitude in the wavelength of size and different things. Characteristic parameter of light waves. Wavelength, the distance between the repeating units of a propagating wave of a given frequency. Frequency, lambda expanding in a nanometer. Frequency, the number of oscillations which is a minute. Frequency, what is this? This is an oscillation. Half oscillation and this half oscillation called as full oscillation of a wave. Amplitude, distance from the central position to the peak. This is a peak point and this is the amplitude of a peak point of wavelength.
Oh yes.
यार ये क्यों delete नहीं करे मेरा बेंच? आगे पीछे का? हाँ ये ठीक है. Parts of a light microscope. This is a eyepiece. This is a eye tube. This is a arm. This is a head. This is a nose piece. This is an objective lens.
Yeah.
This is a stage of a slit. Yeah, ma'am. Microscope. We put a glass of slides. Like onion cheek bulb experiment, we have just onion cheek. We different cells in the microscope. Condenser, what is it? Iris diaphragm, illuminator, line focus knob, coarse focus knob. This is the parts of a microscope. I explain everything. Magnification. Magnification. What is the magnification? Magnification is the process in which we can magnify anything, like this small object. We can see the small object in a large part. It's called as magnification. Magnification is a simple thin lens, simple magnified lens. This is an object like a glass slide is putting. Magnification, virtual images, like a picture hall. We are watching a movie. It also a process of magnification. The small particles coming on the screen, and it is a different
Oh yeah.
big large size. Film plane, eyepiece,
Very good example.
intermediate image plane, objective, spaceman. Spaceman is the slide. Spaceman slides, condenser, and virtual images coming out. Magnification. Total visual magnification of a microscope is derived by multiplying the magnification value of the object and the eyepiece. What is the total value of magnification? Is the object and the eyepiece is coming out. Figure out what is the total image coming out. Is what is magnification. Ocular 5 to 30 x magnification. Objective 4 to 100 magnification.
Yeah.
Maximum magnification is 3000 x.
3000?
Yeah, magnification is
Right.
can be. I just told you last time.
Yeah.
Magnification is 3000.
कुछ बोल तो ना कल मुझे रात में सपना आया था तू कुछ समझाने वाला
What is resolution? Resolution is also the point of a microscope. The shortest distance between the 2 points on the specimen that can be still be displaced by the observer or camera system to separate entities. When we see the object like bacteria or virus, they are having a far away distance from them. But the resolution, by increasing the resolution, we can decrease the distance of a bacteria and our vision to see the object as more.
Yeah.
Again, the resolution of our optical equipments is the better as the closer point can be seen in a separate one. It's the same thing. We can see the small particle in a large size. It decreases the distance between the eye and the small particle. बस आगे करते हैं. The resolution of a light microscope. The resolution of microscope is the formula of resolution. Lambda बराबर में lambda by 2a. Wavelength upon the numeric aperture. Numeric aperture is this. A is the n into sin alpha. The letter n is the refraction index. Like we have refraction.